Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am J Monique of Designs by J Moby, and yes, we participated in a phenomenal event this year because the truth is too many people still suffer from low self-esteem, too many products still contain harmful ingredients, and too many natural resources are still wasted in the production of said products. Too many people are still feeling marginalized, underrepresented, prejudged, and discriminated against. So this is some of the information that came from the event called Truth and Beauty. All these brands were there, and I'm showing you some snippets of how the event went. I was able to collect emails in person to add them to my email list, and I was able to network with a lot of people. And this video will show you also about the swag bag, how you too can be in a swag bag, and then I'll show you what's in mine. I'm just gonna start putting some right around those edges. Okay, happy, healthy, horny. I love it. That is awesome. Okay, so we talked about bag, by the way. Look at the bag. Look at the bag. The iridescent is so nice. It's Truth and Beauty. I just attended the Truth and Beauty event. The event was based on reframing your beauty point of view. It was put on by Ethera Clean Beauty by Elevate the Glow. Wait, but hold on. We cannot ignore that this happened before the event even started. My table, look at what happened. It is important to make sure that you use weights and weigh down your backdrops and pay attention. Yes, it was a beautiful event, and I just want to show you what was in my swag bag. Okay, so Creole Essence, they gave me a 100% natural, ethical beauty products from Haiti. So I remember speaking with him, the representative that was there, and he talked about it being a all natural castor oil. So it's going to be really good. Let me tell you why. Because my edges are really sensitive. I know a lot of us, we have issues with our edges. And so I'm going to use this castor oil on my edges because I usually will like a top bun or wear my hair in a ponytail. And I do like it slick, and it's natural. I do naturally lay it, but I think the castor oil is going to help. So I'm looking forward to using the castor oil. He said it's from Haiti, and I'm excited. I heard really good things about castor oil. Another friend of mine said that she uses castor oil on her edges. Oh yes, it smells good. Look at that. Oh, I like it. I like the smell. The smell is very important. Let me test a little bit just around on my fingertip. And my friend said it worked. She said that her edges are coming in. She's been using it, for a little while. So I'm looking forward to that. So I'm just going to test that little area. And then maybe like every other day, I'll put some on. But yeah, I'm going to do better with my hair care as well. Just making sure that I'm using the right products and stuff that will help me to keep them edges, okay? All right, so what else we have in here? So, Creole Essence again. So they have a Haitian Moringa hair and skin superfood vitamins. Okay, so it says support hair health with our formula compiled of 92 vitamins and 45 antioxidants to impart elasticity, fight free radicals of environmental damage, and encourage cell turnover for radiance. Okay, so this is good. So it looks like it's a powder form. This is pineapple rum punch. Okay, so the event was a Truth and Beauty event. So it just means that brands that were there that primarily focuses on more natural ingredients, meaning less toxins, because sometimes people can say organic, but it has a list of other things in there that are not good for you. So that's what the event was about: transparency and also brands that care about sustainability. So the packaging is on point and making it more easy to recycle, because sometimes cosmetic items, the containers, and they're plastic and they're supposed to be recyclable, but they're so small they just end up going into the waste field. So that was something that I learned from working with Beauty Counter. So another aspect of the event was sexual awareness, which was great because a lot of vendors there to help you with that. And it looks like one company is Momotoro. Say goodbye to yeast infection symptoms organically. Okay, so this is a real big problem for a lot of women. I know we don't really speak about it openly, but this brand speaks about it openly. And so it's a use for the relief of symptoms associated with vaginal yeast infection, including irritation, burning, itching, and discharge. Okay, so if you're looking for something to help you with those areas of concern, this might be a good brand you might want to test out.
The brand that I connected with is Ethereal Clean Beauty. And then they also partner with Elevate the Glow.
Really, really nice event. Great, outstanding people that put it together. So Neutrogena was also a sponsor. So we have the makeup remover wipes. So we always need that, right? And then Neutrogena also included some other things in here. A Hydro Boost, hydrating cleansing gel. Okay, so that's going to be helpful. Effectively removes makeup and impurities. Okay, so that was nice. Let's see. Beto for her. Oh, let's see. Let's say foreplay in a bottle. Okay. Shake Well, Best Served Chill, supports sexual health, made in an FDA registered, GMP certified, in an allergen-free facility in the US. Oh, this other brand is down in here too. Momotaro Salve. Okay, let's see. Oh, they gave us a good sample there. Okay, nice. We appreciate that. Vaginal wellness without the shame, stigma, or scarce tactics. Each ingredient in our signature salve was handpicked from vitro studies for their demonstrated ability to soothe symptoms and address the underlying causes of yeast infection and bacterial vaginosis. Okay, so that brand might be something you want to go ahead and take a note of. Okay, let's take a look at that again. You might want to take a look at that. Okay, that might become very helpful. Oh, Shiva Rose. Okay, Shiva Rose. Okay, let's see. This is a body scrub. Directions for use. Dip your fingers in the lilac scrub and put some in the palms of your hand. Take a deep inhale and feel the sweet healing joy of the lilac. Then use the sugar scrub to gently exfoliate your beautiful body, either in the shower or the bath. Interesting. Okay, let's open. I'm glad I'm sharing this with you guys, right? Some exciting things in here. Because you never know, you might need some of these things. Valentine's Day is coming up, so hey, maybe. Okay, so look, Shiva Rose, look at that. Nice. Nice. Ooh, it smells so good. Lovely. I love it, I love it, I love it. Okay, my bag is fully loaded. Color Protecting Shampoo by Madison Reed. So they gave us some samples in there. I don't color my hair, although I should. I have a lot of grays, but that's a good shampoo I hear about. And Mars Addiction After Hours. Oh, let's see what this is. Calms, Nourish, Fights Hydropigmentation, Cucumber. Let's see, this serum was made just for your evening skincare routine. Before you go to bed, and after cleansing, apply 3 to 4 drops to clean, dampen skin. Okay, that's pretty interesting. So it's a calming and nourishing milk. I'm telling you, you guys, self-care, skincare is very important. I've been feeling a lot more feminine, a lot more adult, and I feel like I'm really caring for myself. When I'm implementing a skincare routine, it is very important to make sure you're taking care of yourself. Have you guys heard of Lady Sweet? Intimate Refreshing Cleanser. Nice. An everyday soothing wash that supports pH balance and gently refreshes external intimate skin before or after daily activities. Take note, Lady Sweet. Okay, let's keep going. Let's see what else is here. Oh, more from Madison Reed. Okay, so this is the conditioner. So you have the shampoo and you have the conditioner. This is helpful if you have color. If you color your hair, you need that. Okay, so let's see. Woo is more play. This is a refreshy after play wipe. I think you get what that is. Look, get dirty, get clean, repeat. I love it, I love it. Okay, so here are some cards in here. Mars Addiction. Like seriously, you guys, it's 2023. Ethical is the new normal. Okay, so let's see what else is in the bag. Sugar Goop. Unseen sunscreen. Oh, okay. Okay, so there's some sunscreen there. And then Youngblood Mineral Cosmetics. Ooh, hydrating liquid lip cream. You know, we love a good gloss, honey. You got to keep your lips hydrated, especially in the colder weather. That's going to be very, very important to do so. Just some more, one brand that I know that I work with directly is Beauty Counter. We are also in this swag bag. Yes, we provided samples of Beauty Counter because we too are a non-toxic brand. Actually, Beauty Counter is the first brand that I've seen that had a never list. They have over 1,800 ingredients that they never use. Okay, so that's one of the reasons why I signed up with them. And I do represent the BIPOC community, letting you guys know that the darker skinned women and men, like, we can take care of our skin too. They have products for us as well. So that's what I represent. And here's our sample that we put inside of the swag bag. This is our counter time. This is one of my favorites because it actually helps to make sure that it reduces your lines and wrinkles. Yes, it has helped to slow down the aging process. Okay, we are leading a movement to a future where all beauty is clean beauty. Formulate, advocate, and educate. That's our motto for creating products that truly perform while holding ourselves to unparalleled standards of safety. Beauty Counter is in the swag bag too, baby. So yes, that's our most recent event that we attended. Okay, so I'm going to post more content showing you guys how the event went, my little setup there. Make sure you like this video and share it with someone that might be interested in some of these products that I've shared. And make sure that you follow because I'm going to add more videos coming up on some other events that I recently attended. And I think that you would like them and you will be interested. Okay, take care. I am obsessed with this hooded sweatshirt from Princess Polly. It is so cute. Blue secretly is one of my favorite colors, blue and royal blues. And yes, they put that in the swag bag too. I hope you're having a great week. I've been very, very busy with a few things going on, and I just wanted to share with you. what I wanted to share what I've been doing. As you know, or you may not know, but I have recently joined team.